mixture for today. So, how are you today, children?
We're
good.
fine.
Oh, that's good to hear. So, before that, I want to present first our science classroom rules. Can you read, everyone?
Think like a scientist. Be observant and question everything. Be a good partner. Listen to the directions. Read all of the procedures and communicate. Respect yourself, your teacher, your classmates, and the equipment. Science isn't done by one person. It takes the collaborative work of many.
Okay, thank you, class. So, before that, can you still remember our previous lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is it? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, Angeline?
it's all about uniform mixture.
Yes, very good. We tackle about solutions and other uniform mixtures. So, do you still have any clarifications or questions regarding our previous lesson?
None, ma'am.
If none, then let's proceed. So now I have here an activity. You will arrange the numbers in descending order and to reveal the word. So, who wants to go to the board and answer or arrange in descending order? So class, unsa gali ang descending order?
Gamay to dako.
Very good. You can sa gamay o dalawang sa dako. Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, Sabri? Dahil siguro.
ano na.
Pag-abot ni Uli ni Sabri.
I-crop lang na. Ayun lang, ihawa. Crop lang na.
Diyan na i-crop with si Ma'am. May
Oo,
mga
sige.
Dito na, wait.
Kumakadinan na sa prayer.
So now class, I have here pictures. So what are the mixtures that you can see in the picture?
Halo-halo, ma'am.
What else?
Mixed nuts.
Very good. We have halo-halo and mixed nuts. So, do you like halo-halo and mixed nuts, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you identify its components in its mixture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's try to see if you can identify the components of a halo-halo. So, what are the components of a halo-halo?
Ice cream.
What
Evaporated milk.
What else?
Leche flan.
Sweatened beans.
Sliced fruit.
Ube.
Pinipig
And
rice.
agar chilies.
Banana. Very good. We have shaved ice, evaporated milk, sliced fruits, tapioca pearls, leche flan, ube, sweetened beans, pinipig rice, and agar jellies. So how about the mixed nuts? Can you identify them?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what are the components of mixed nuts?
Almond.
Walnuts.
Walnuts.
Cashew.
Hazelnuts.
Very good. We have peanuts, almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, and hazelnuts. So good job, children.
Yes.
So now, class, do you want to play a game?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will play a game entitled Homogeneous versus Heterogeneous. So are you ready to play a game?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start. So what mixture is this? A coffee drink.
Homogeneous.
Very good. It is a homogeneous. How about this? What kind of mixture?
Heterogeneous.
Very good. We have heterogeneous. How about this one?
Heterogeneous.
Very good. It is hetero. How about this one?
Hetero.
Very good. It is a heterogeneous. How about the last one?
Homo.
Very good. It is a homogeneous. So now, class, what have you observed from the heterogeneous mixtures? We have halo-halo, fruit salad, and pasta with sliced tomatoes. What have you observed from the three dishes?
Ma'am, we can see its ingredients.
Very good. We can easily identify its components. So our topic for today is all about non-uniform mixtures or heterogeneous mixtures. So when we say heterogeneous mixtures, it is a mixture in which we can easily distinguish the components or the components retain their phases are what we call non-uniform or heterogeneous mixtures. So when we say hetero, from the word hetero, that means different. So that means the substances are not uniform and we can easily identify its components. So now class, can you read this?
Ma'am.
Yes, Peaches.
Heterogeneous mixtures have a main component or a base ingredient, which is the most abundant component. The other components are mixed into it. The base ingredient determines a lot of the mixture's properties. The added ingredients also bring in their individual properties into the mixture.
Very good. When we say heterogeneous mixtures, it has main component and a base ingredient. So there are also many heterogeneous mixtures that occur naturally. What are those? Yes, Racheline?
Soil, ma'am.
Yes, what else?
Sun.
Sun,
ma'am.
What else?
Rock.
Very good. We have the soil, sand, and rock. So when we say soil, it is a mixture of sand, dirt, rocks, and decayed matter. Sometimes it has also bits of metal, cloth, glass, and plastic to be found and mixed in soil. So who can read what is sand? Yes, Anjali?
Sand is another example of a heterogeneous mixture. Aside from very fine grains of sand, a scoop of sand may contain pebbles, bits of shells, glass, and pieces of iron.
Thank you, Anjali. So mixtures do not occur naturally. They can also be made from existing ingredients. So for example, we have a concrete mix. So class, what do you think are the components or ingredients of a concrete mix?
Cement, sand,
Sand,
gravel.
cement, gravel, and water.
Very good. We have cement, sand, and gravel. So the ratio of each ingredient differs from depending on how the concrete will be used. So we also have, so the food that we eat or we consume are also heterogeneous mixtures. Some examples are chop suey, fried rice, pinakbet, and salad. So what have you observed, class, from these 4 dishes?
Do you have different components?
Yes, and we can easily identify its components. Very good. So we also have traditional or medical or modern medicine that can be also a heterogeneous mixture. For example, the sap from leaves of plants like kalachuchi and mango that can be mixed to treat skin diseases. We also have oregano that can be crushed and mixed with warm water to become poultice, which is rubbed over joints and muscles to relieve pain. So now class, do you have any questions regarding our discussion?
None, ma'am.
If none, then are you ready for our activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for our activity, can you read the direction?
Name at least 4 heterogeneous mixtures and enumerate their components.
Okay, we can go to the board and write or answer this table. Yes, Sabri? Done. Okay, very good, children. You answer it very well and correctly. So now, let me ask you a question. How important mixtures in our daily life? Anyone? Yes, Angeline?
Ma'am, in our daily lives, ma'am, we come into contact with a variety of mixtures. It can be used in medicine and most foods or mixtures such as halo-halo.
Okay, very good, Angeline. Mixtures are a common occurrence in our daily life. So they are the air we breathe, the food and the water we consume, and the fabrics we wear. So mixture is very important because if mixtures doesn't exist, then the majority of the substances which we use in our daily lifestyle will not exist anymore. Okay, so class, who can define what is a heterogeneous mixture? Anyone? Yes, Abri?
Heterogeneous mixture can easily distinguish the components.
Very good, Sabri. When we say heterogeneous mixture, it is a non-uniform mixture where we can easily identify its components. So sum up, what are your learnings from today's lesson?
We learn,
Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes?
we learn about heterogeneous mixtures that can be used in construction, cooking, and medicine, ma'am.
Very good. We tackle about the heterogeneous mixtures that can be used in construction, also the cooking and the in medicine. Okay, now class, are you ready for our short quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we're done. Okay, don't forget to copy your assignment. All you have to do is to summarize the lesson using your own words by completing the sentence. Heterogeneous mixture is blah 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 blah. So I think that's all for today, class. Thank you for listening.